Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Jackson or C.R. Lawrence 30-1345. This is a strike package for the 2085 series concealed vertical rod exit device in a 628 finish. Also, of course, available in the 313 finish, dark bronze. This is going to include a wrench for you to adjust. Not so elegantly bent there. Not 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 very elegant in their way that they've offset that, but you would want that offset so you'd be able to actually work the unit a little bit easier. You're going to get your bottom strike. You're going to get your top strike as well, and then you'll get fasteners for everything. And this video is really just to give you a visual review of the material. That top strike is obviously made of steel. The bottom strike is as well. So let's start at the top. There is a link below this video to a document called Printable Cut Sheet that will show you not only the strike package itself and what you get, but an exploded overall drawing of the parts for the 2085 device. You'll see the latch assembly on the hard left-hand side of the device. All of the other replaceable parts. It is certainly an advantage that Jackson C.R. Lawrence makes this material available so that you can obviously get the part number, purchase replacement parts, continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware. Take some dimensional properties of the top strike. Overall length, about 1 inch and 9/16. Depth, 1/2 inch. Total projection, about 5/8 as you can see. You're going to have a slotted hole, which will be the hole that you'll install first to give yourself proper positioning of where the latch is going to grab onto the actual keeper portion, or the retaining portion of the strike. And then once you know you've got your positioning set, drill your final hole and go and drill and tap that, and then you'll have it in a proper position. A lot of these videos are just to archive the dimensional data as well. The thickness of the mounting of the base plate itself, 0.127. 0.127. Okay. And you will get 4, I'm going to go with 832 flat undercut head machine screws. Okay, flat undercut head. It's got an undercut to it. That permits a flathead screw to be able to work in a very thin wall of material. Overall length of the width of the bottom strike, 2 inch. Overall width, about 1 inch and 1/8. Thickness of that plate, about 0.063. 0.063. Okay. And then, of course, that wrench. The adjusting wrench is to get around the hexagon-shaped bolt, for top and bottom, so that you can position it correctly to get it to where you have to have the positioning of it. However, it's probably positioned correctly because of your bottom rod guide. This tool is for the bottom naturally. You're not going to really use it except if you're trying to readjust. That would make sense if you need to fully readjust the installation to account for new strikes. The condition of the exit device may require that. But anyway, here it is. Now, finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Jackson products that we sell, but a link to an older parts catalog that's many years old by this point. A link to a door closer archival piece of information about Jackson closers. And that's where we will deposit other important documents as it pertains to that particular manufacturer. The name Jackson is, of course, now under the umbrella of C.R. Lawrence. So if you are looking in C.R. Lawrence's catalog, that's where you will find all the Jackson products as well. I keep the two separate because just how I know I can find Jackson material in the C.R. Lawrence, but there are times when I want to see the original pre-C.R. Lawrence published data, pre-C.R. Lawrence acquisition of Jackson data. That's where I'll look for that material. Any questions on the 30, 1345 strike package in a 628 finish or any other Jackson C.R. Lawrence product? Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.